Summary of the Assam Tribune, 6th September, Sunday 2020. Number 1. Ethnic Language Education Directorate. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has inaugurated the Directorate for Boro and other ethnic language education in a program held at Srimanta Sankardev Kalakshetra. The Directorate has been formed as an agreement held under Boro Accord. It will look after the education-related planning and coordination in Boro and other ethnic language academic institutions of Assam. Number 2. LAC versus LOC. Line of actual control is a demarcation which separates Indian controlled territory from Chinese controlled one, while line of control or LOC separates India and Pakistani controlled parts of the formerly princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. This line is not legally recognized as international boundary. It is divided into three sectors: Azad Kashmir, Gilgit and Baltistan, which is occupied by Pakistan, and two-thirds of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh and Kashmir Velu by India. Although India claims the whole Kashmir as an integral part of India, LAC is divided into three sectors: Eastern sector, which spans Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, Middle sector in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, and the Western sector in Ladakh. LAC is almost 4,057 km, while LOC is almost 776 km. Number 3. New Education Policy NEP. New Education Policy 2020 was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29th July 2020. It outlines the vision of India's new education system. The new policy replaces the previous National Policy on Education 1986. It has been discussed in detail in earlier videos. Number 4. Typhoon Haishan. Typhoon Haishan, categorized as large and extremely strong, was expected to move to the Amami region of small islands near Kyushu that separates the Pacific Ocean and the East China Sea. Basically, a typhoon is a type of large storm system having a circular or spiral system of violent winds, typically hundreds of kilometers or miles in diameter. The winds spiral around a region of low atmospheric pressure. Typhoon is the name of the storms that occur in the Western Pacific. Hurricane is similar to typhoon and is the name given to the storms in the Atlantic Ocean and Eastern Pacific. In the Indian Ocean, they are called tropical cyclones. Basically, hurricane and typhoons are tropical cyclones. Typhoons are measured on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Category 1 storms are the lowest wind speeds. Category 5 storms are the most powerful and have the highest wind speeds. Number 5. Pandemic, epidemic, endemic, and outbreak. An epidemic is a disease that affects a large number of people within a community, population, or region. A pandemic is an epidemic that spreads over multiple countries or continents. Endemic is something that belongs to a particular people or country. Outbreak is a greater than anticipated increase in the number of endemic cases. It can also be a single case in a new area. If it is not quickly controlled, an outbreak can become an epidemic. Number 6. Aspirational districts. Niti Aayog, in its fresh assessment based on overall performance index, has placed Darang in the second rank among 124 aspirational districts of the country. Aspirational districts which are being identified by Niti Aayog are those districts of India which are affected by poor socio-economic indicators. These indicators are identified from various areas like health and nutrition, education, agriculture and water resources, financial inclusion and skill development, and basic infrastructure. There are 7 aspirational districts identified in Assam: Barpeta, Darang, Dhubri, Gwalpara, Baksa, Udalguri and Hailakandi. ICMR, or Indian Council of Medical Research. It is the apex body in India to formulate, coordinate and promote biomedical research, established in 1949. It is funded by the Indian government through the Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is headquartered in New Delhi, India. Number 8. Leaning Temple of Varanasi. The Ratneshwar Mahadev temple in Varanasi stands tall despite leaning. It is built very close to the river Ganga. The temple, probably built in the mid 19th century, has developed a 9-degree slant. Interestingly, the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy tilts just 4 degrees. Number 9. State Ease of Doing Business Rank. Assam has been ranked at the top of Ease of Doing Business ranking 2019 in the northeastern region according to the State Business Reform Action Plan, ranking released by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. At the All India level, Andhra Pradesh retained its top position in Ease of Doing Business ranking 2019. It has been followed by UP and Telangana. Globally, the Ease of Doing Business ranking is published by the World Bank. India's rank is 63rd as per the latest report. That's all for today. Thank you.